Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to get Iron Man in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is water, and then water to create lake, and then another water to create ocean. And then once you have ocean, you want to add another water to create fish, and then add fire to create sushi. And then once you have sushi, you want to go for water, and then add the earth into it to create plant, and then you want to go add wind to create dandelion. Once you have dandelion, you want to add a fish, and then you'd have puffer fish, and then just combine it with sushi to create poison. And then you want to add another poison to create toxic, and then add another poison to create venom. And then once you have venom, you want to go for wind right here, and then earth to create dust. And then once you have dust, you want to add another earth to create planet, and then add another planet to create star, and then add another star to create galaxy, and then add another star to create universe. Once you have universe, combine it with venom to create Spider-Man. Once you have Spider-Man, what you want to do next is simply add fire right here and add water to create steam. And then once you have steam, you want to add it to Spider-Man, and then there you have it. You now have Iron Man.